In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add news articles to your Wix website. This process is straightforward and will help you provide timely updates to your visitors, keeping them engaged with the latest news directly on your site. So, let's dive in and walk through the steps together. To start off, you'll want to navigate to the Wix website editor. Once you're logged into your Wix account, head to the page you want to enhance with news content. On the left side of the editor, you'll notice a range of options, but focus on clicking the option that says Add Apps. This is where you'll find the tool to bring news to your site. With the Apps window open, use the search bar at the top to type in the word News. You'll see a list of relevant apps displayed, and what you need is the news ticker. The news ticker is a fantastic choice because it allows you to display a running stream of news headlines directly on your page, which is especially useful for quickly catching your visitors' attention with the latest updates. Now, after you've clicked on News Ticker, you'll see the button labeled Add to Site. Clicking this will start the process of integrating the news ticker into your web page. It's important to ensure that your choice complements the design and layout of your site, so feel free to experiment with its positioning if needed. With the news ticker ready to be added, you will be prompted with a dialog that says Agree and Add. This step is quite essential as it means you agree to the app's terms and conditions. It's a standard procedure mostly related to licensing and the usage of the app on your site. And don't worry, it's completely safe and necessary to click this so that you can continue to the finalization of adding the content. Once you've agreed, the news ticker will officially become a part of your site. You can customize the settings to fit your style or editorial theme, whether it's adjusting the colors to match your brand or setting the speed at which the news scrolls. This feature is highly customizable and adaptable to exactly how you envision delivering news to your audience. And just like that, you've successfully added a news section to your Wix website. Now your visitors can enjoy the latest articles seamlessly integrated into their browsing experience on your site. It's an excellent way to dynamically engage with your audience and keep your content fresh and relevant. Thank you for following along. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. Happy editing!